Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how are we going to message or text on Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do, guys, as you can see on my screen, I have here. So all we need to do is go to the okay in the Google Meet website. So here, guys, so if you have or you are on the meeting or you want to start a meeting, so you just have to click this one, guys, the new meeting button, and start an instant meeting. Okay, so so as you can see is I have here I already opened my the link or started the meeting. If you want to invite someone, you can just have copy this link and send it to someone, and you can also add others. This one, guys, to add someone. Okay, to send them the link. Okay, so in order for us to message or text on Google Meet, all you need to do, guys, is go to the bottom right. Okay, this one, guys, we have here five icon here. Just click this one, guys, to chat with everyone. So here, guys, you can actually message here, say hello. You can chat everyone, hello everyone, how are you? And if you send this, guys, okay, so they will be able to see the message or that you've sent, okay, and this chat box or in call messages. Okay, so that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Google Meet. Thank you.